The teacher who got students to stop using ChatGPT by using ChatGPT. When he found half his class was using ChatGPT to write essays, he didn't panic. He didn't lecture them, he didn't block anything. He simply said, all right, let's use it better. His name is Marcus, he teaches English at an high school. One day he's assigned a paper, write an essay on Orwell. He gets back perfect texts. Too perfect, all similar, all lifeless. He knows immediately, no one wrote anything, all done by AI. But instead of punishing them, he challenged them. Now write a critique of what you submitted. Deconstruct it. Show me where the AI got wrong, where it oversimplified, where it avoided taking a stance. And at the beginning, the students don't know where to start. They've never analyzed the text that way before. But slowly, they begin to see it. They realize the AI is vague, that it avoids strong positions, that it repeats patterns without depth, that it builds without risk. And for the first time, they write something of their own. They criticize the machine, they have to think, they have to reflect, choose words, take a side. ChatGPT had become a shortcut, but he turned it into a mirror and brought back the one thing that matters in school: understanding why we write, not just what we write.